Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. I'm Emmanuel Arce, the Ultimate Gardener. My goal is to help you guys grow in the garden industry and help you guys become an Ultimate Gardener. So in today's exciting sprouting video, I'll be showing you guys how to plant the ruby Chinese fringe flower. First time ever being planted in this garden. So I have their area located already. The area where they're going to be planted is going to be worked on for a few months until some of the plants that are in there die off, and we're going to remove them. So if you want to know how to plant this type of shrub, because it is a shrub, guys, please stay tuned in the area where the ultimate greenhouse is located in. And of course, as you can see, we have 2 tomatoes here and 2 pak choi that I had to move. And so once these plants are removed, I'll be able to have more space, and I have something planned to go there and there. So please stay tuned with us. But right here, let me move for you guys could see this one. This is the ruby Chinese fringe flower. Such a beautiful flower, and it gives off such a unique bloom right there. And the foliage is amazing. So I think it would be a great structure to have one here and to have one over there. So we're gonna go ahead and get to planting. I'm gonna show you guys how to plant them in a second. So guys, here is the Chinese fringe flower. Such a unique foliage color and such a unique structure, because it sort of looks like a weeping willow. So I really would love this structure to be here and to grow on and to be beautiful. So this one will be placed right here because we will have a pathway added right here, and the other one's gonna be over there, so it could have, you know, the equally in both sides, sort of symmetrically. So we're gonna have one here and one here, and the replacement for the tomatoes is going to be something secret. So if you want to know what the secret is going to be for these tomatoes and replacing them, please stay tuned with us. So I'm going to show you how to plant them, and then I'm going to show you how to care for them. So these plants, when fertilizing, because it's such a must when planting the plant to add some type of fertilizer. So I'm going to be using the azalea tone from Espoma, which is a great alternative to plant tone, biotone, and flower tone. So this is what I have right now, so this is what I'm going to use. And so when planting this plant, you're going to have to, of course, leave some type of lip, I like to say, or inch from the main plant, which is, let's say, the containers like this. Your hole is going to be a tad bit shorter, so a few inches could be left above. So in case you want to mulch it, you're going to have that area to do so. Or if it's a necessity, you have to make a mound for proper drainage. That's another thing. So these types of Chinese fringe flowers prefer to be put in an area for up to 6 hours, so they can perform amazing. And so I don't want these to go crazy, so I'm gonna be bringing that sunlight a tad bit down, because of course the greenhouse is gonna be blocking it, but in the morning it'll be blasted with sun, so I think it would be great. So now let's go ahead and jump right into planting. So guys, the Chinese fringe flowers were already planted and they look amazing. I really like how they came out, and so I think the entire theme of this garden will be pinks, reds, whites, and dark purples, because I want them to match with these main structures, because I'm planning to have these here for a pretty long time. So what do you do to care for the Chinese fringe flower? The Chinese fringe flower is such a delicate touch to the garden because of its weeping structure and such palm-like flowers. It's such an amazing structure, you guys. I would highly recommend it if you live in Florida, and it's hardy to zone 7. So if you are in a zone 7, highly recommend to grab this. So the thing with this is that Chinese fringe flowers love to be watered, so they are a water hog. So you have to keep out here every 2 days to water these plants so they could be happy and perform amazing in your area. They also like to be fertilized once a month, so that's a big check mark in my book because I don't like fertilizing so much. So once a month I could do, so that's an amazing thing. Another thing is, if you want to have this structure be maintained, of course you're gonna have to trim it backwards once it gets to a certain height you don't like. So you're gonna trim it, give it a haircut basically, put it to the height you want it to, and you're gonna be good to go. And it also blooms in early spring, which is around now. We're entering late spring, which these are gonna put on more growth and a few more blooms, and then we're done. And then in winter, this, I don't know how it's gonna look like because here we don't snow, so I don't know what the winter structure is, but I know during the heated summer months, these are gonna be amazing in the garden. So once again, this is called the Ruby Chinese Fringe Flower. Highly recommend it. I have 2 of them here, and I'm gonna of course give you guys updates on how these look. So that's gonna be it for this video, you guys. Let's go ahead and wrap up this video. So guys, that's it for this exciting spreading video. Once again, this is called the Ruby Chinese Fringe Flower. Highly recommend it, and you need it in your garden because the structure, the blooms, and the color, love it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting spreading video comes out, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting spreading video comes out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Grow big, ultimate gardeners. Bye guys.